You guys know what time it is. It is time to unbox the Twilight Glamlight collab. I got the one without the PR box, but we're going to jump right into it, okay? I will also say that they threw in 2 extra products with my order. So the first thing that we got is this little carrying bag. It's holographic. I mean, it's cool, but that's not really why I bought this. I'll probably store all the packaging in this because the packaging is kind of cool for everything. The second item that's non-makeup related is this mirror, and it has a nice little transition from vampire Bella and Edward to human Bella and Edward. This is just what the front looks like, in case you were wondering. It's pretty nice. I like it. Probably my favorite part of this whole collab is this highlighter. This is the packaging it comes in, and I'm going to take it out, and as you see, it changes. Here's the packaging again outside of the box. It says, "I'll meet you at the altar," and that has the Twilight Breaking Dawn pictures. Let's go ahead and inside, it just has the mirror and the Twilight logo, and then this is the highlight itself, and it says, "I do" in it. It is so pretty. The skin of a killer Bella. This is what I think of when I think of that, and I can't wait to dust it all over myself. There is just a little swatch, and how stunning is that? Next, we have the Edward Cullen Lip Kit. This is the packaging. Of course, it's got Edward's face on it. I'm going to go ahead and take it out now. Here is the inside packaging. Look at the component of this lipstick. How pretty. I'll go ahead and show you the color. So we just have a black lip liner, a nice red shimmery lip gloss, and this deep red matte lipstick. And I'm going to swatch them now. There is the swatched. I will use all this makeup to do a look, but not today. Here is the viral, or I guess it's viral, I keep seeing it, the skin spray, and it's supposed to be glitter. I'm going to spray it on my hand. It does say not to spray it directly on your face. Might still do that anyway. Okay, so that is it sprayed directly on my hand. It says to let it dry down so it dries evenly. It is just a nice shimmer mist. It has a nice scent to it. Almost like a hairspray smell. I will come back when this is dry and let you know if it's sticky. Also, this is cold when you spray it onto your skin. We're back, and this is dried down now, and it is a little stiff, kind of maybe like a glitter hairspray. It's very pretty, though. I can definitely see this using like my special effects looks. Next, we have the Jacob palette, Team Jacob. And the way that this opens is pretty cool. You get the little packaging, and it just says Twilight Breaking Dawn, Glamlight, and then you have the Jacob palette, which has his face, but also, if we can get to do it, shifts to a wolf. How cool. And these are the shades in this palette, and we'll give them a swatch real quick. And these are just your standard Glamlight formula, so they're going to be good. The shimmers are spectacular. The mattes are creamy, buttery, and soft, and those are those shades. We're going to go ahead and jump into the Edward palette. I'm a liar. I just wanted to give you a shot of what the inside of this looks like. And here we have the Team Edward palette. Opening up says, "No measure of time with you will be enough. But let's start with Forever Edward." It's a quote from the books. And then here we have the Edward palette. You just have 2 pictures of his face. So just regular Edward, like his vampireness, and then I think that might be their wedding day. So we'll go ahead and open this one up. I like this palette better. It's so pretty. These are the colors I think of when I think of vampires or the Cullens. And a lot of grays, some like more cooler tone mattes, or some reds, and I'll just swatch those. And then of course we just have that same picture of Edward that's on the cover here, and I guess these are some trees from Forks. I'll let you look at the names really quick. So there are those shades all swatched out, and if you ask me what makeup I thought a vampire would wear, this would very much fit the category. I just want to show you those names again because I think these are funny. Vegetarian, Lion, Century, Thirst, Vows, Diamond, Sparkles, Edward, Renesmee. I don't know if that's how you say that, but that's how I've said it my entire life. Honeymoon, Gifted, Mind Reader, Volturi, Bite, Forks. Some of these I feel like could have been more themed to the movie, but overall they're pretty good. And just because I forgot to do that with the Jacob palette, Imprint, Pack, Guardian, Phasing, Alpha, Jacob, Wolf, Moody, Telepathy, I don't know, how do you say that? Shapeshifter, Loyal, Transformation, Moonlight, La Push, and Devotion. And this very much reminds me of, the wolves in the New Moon movie. So I think they got the color schemes down pat on these. And that was the entire Twilight collection, but they sent these to me as, I guess, a free gift. So I got the Friday the 13th brush collection, and it's got 4 brushes in it. They look nice. And I got a Coca-Cola glow highlighter, and I'm going to show you this because I think it's very pretty and unique. As always, packaging with Glamlight is a 10 out of 10. It's like a little cap. I may not be able to get it open. It is just this beautiful white highlight with a pink shift, and I'll swatch it for you guys. And you can really see that pink shift there, but it's so pretty. Thank you, Glamlight. I don't know why you did this or if this is something you do regularly, but thank you for adding in extras. I will be purchasing again. I always like their products. They're usually spot on. That's what the back looks like. I want a Diet Coke one, please, and thank you. Can you make a Diet Coke one or a Coke Zero? Yeah, that'd be awesome. If you guys want to see me use this makeup and these products, just leave a comment below and I will get to that as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.